Downloading your account statements from Bell Canada is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your statements easily. Step 1. Log into your Bell account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account information. Once logged in, look for the billing or account information section in the main menu. Click on it to find your billing statements. Step 3. Select statement period. In the billing section, you will see a list of available statements. Choose the specific period for which you want to download this statement by selecting the appropriate date range. Step 4. Download the statement. After selecting the statement period, look for a Download or View Statement button. Click on it to download the statement in PDF format to your device. Step 5. Save and organize. Once the statement is downloaded, save it to a designated folder on your device for easy access. Consider organizing your statements by year or month for better management. By following these steps, you can easily download your account statements from Bell Canada. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Bell's customer support for assistance.